Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn an important 10 mark question in C programming. The topic is what is an array in C programming? Explain its types and syntax. So let us understand it step by step. I have written the for this question for 10 marks. So I have written what is array, what is syntax, types of arrays, advantages and disadvantages. So first imagine you have marks of 5 students. Suppose student 1 is equal to 80 and student second he got 75 and third 90 and fourth 85 and student 5 got 70. So without arrays we need 5 different variables. So mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4, mark 5. This becomes very difficult when there are hundreds of values. To solve this problem, C provides array. So first we're going to see what is definition of array. So an array is a collection of elements of same data type stored in continuous memory location. So the syntax for array is data type, array name, and size of the array. So these are the examples. Int a size of a is 5 and float of b of array 8, char of c of size 6. So this is the definition syntax for array. So let us see the types of array. So there are mainly two types of arrays. So one is 1D, one dimensional array, and 2D, two dimensional array. So let us see about the one dimensional array. So one dimensional array means the array stores data in a single row. So the data is stored in a single row. That size means it has only single size. So syntax for one dimensional array is data type and array name and its size. So example for one dimensional array is int l of size 4. So it is represented as l of index 0, l of index 1, l of index 2, l of index 3. So the array starts from 0 to num size 1, means if the size is n, it ends with n minus 1. So here it is 4. So it starts from 0 to 3. That means 4 minus 1. So the applications of one dimensional array is storing marks, storing names, and storing temperature, means storing any values. So this is about one dimensional array. So now we're going to see two dimensional array, 2D array. So 2D array stores data in rows and columns. So first the syntax for two dimensional array is data type, array name, and its size of the row and size of the column. So it is represent its example is int a in row of 2 and column of 2. So it is represented as like this. So it starts from 0 and it gonna increment the column value. So it gonna represent like this: a of 0 of 0, a 0 of 1, a 1 of 0, a 1 of 1. So the application for of two dimensional arrays are matrices and tables. So this two dimensional array is used in matrices also and tables also. So let us move to the next page. So in this page we are going to see the advantages and disadvantages of array. So advantages of arrays are easy data management. It is used to manage data easily. So it is fast of access of elements. So if there are some elements in the array, we can access that elements very fast. So to declare the array, we need less amount of code. So it has better memory allocation. So now let us see the disadvantages of array. So it is fixed size. Suppose the array is 5, size of the array is 5. So you want to declare 10 elements. So it's not possible because numerically we have defined the array size is 5. So it's not possible. This is the drawback with the array. So we can't store different data types together. So if the data type is int, we can only store the int values. So we can't store the float values or character values or another data types. So this is the disadvantage of array. So next one is memory may be wasted. So this is main important. Memory may be wasted if array size is too large. Suppose the array size is 100, but I have declared only 5 elements. So the remaining 95 space is waste. So the memory is wasted. So it is better to allocate memory according to the size of the array. So this is all about the array. So so we have discussed the array and its syntax, types of arrays, its syntax and examples and the applications and advantages and disadvantages. If the same question asked in your exam, you can write the same as I have written in this here. So when it comes to advantages and disadvantages, I suggest you to draw a neat table. So on one side the advantages, another side is the disadvantages. So this is all about the arrays for 10 marks. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.